So when Jason and I first had this idea of hosting a custom sneaker contest, we had absolutely no idea what to expect. And when we announced our first contest with only 4 weeks to enter, we were blown away that over 70 people had submitted entries. And to narrow that down to a final 4 was absolutely no easy task, as there was really some incredible entries along the way. So first off, we just want to say thank you to each and every single one of you who entered into this first contest of ours. But then getting to see the final 4 in person and each of these amazing artists allowing me to give my feedback and review their customs was a true honor. So we thought the best way to pick the winner would be to open up the vote to the public and allow you guys to choose out of these final 4 who you think should win our $250 grand prize. And you guys absolutely did not hold back, with nearly 100,000 votes for this contest. The winner of our first DCF horror contest is, drumroll please, Tight Customs and their horror villain Jordan 1s. These are an absolute masterpiece and one of the best horror themes I've ever seen on a pair of custom sneakers. We talked about these in detail in our episode of reviewing your customs along with the other final 4, so go ahead and make sure to check that out if you haven't already. So Tight Customs is the winner of the $250 grand prize, a gift card to angelusdirect.com, but that's not all. Our team over at Angelus sent over a bunch of prizes for our runner-ups. We have things like a Leather Basics paint kit, easy cleaner kits, brushes, and of course some additional paint. So please make sure you go ahead and give all of these incredible artists to follow: JDub Customs, Jar Customs, Rupsy Banks, and of course our winner Tight Customs. Reach out to them directly too if you have any questions about their horror themed sneakers. These are all tremendous artists, great people, and we really can't wait to see what they cook up next. And speaking of next, after the insane turnout of our first contest, we don't want to keep you guys waiting. We're ready to move right into our next DCF Christmas contest. For our Christmas contest, the details are going to be very similar to how we hosted this first horror contest. You can do any type of Christmas theme on any type of sneaker, and the deadline to submit by is going to be Friday, December 13th. But being our second contest, we gotta go even bigger and better and raise the stakes even a little bit more. So we're gonna be giving away a $350 gift card to angelusdirect.com for the winner of this contest. Christmas themes are also definitely some of my favorite. 4 years ago, before custom cleats really took over the NFL, I was lucky enough to work with Eric Ebron and Lance Moore, who were both with the Detroit Lions at the time, and for their Monday Night Football game, it was Christmas Eve. We whipped up some really cool Christmas themed cleats that both of them wore. Knowing they would get fined, they still wanted to be completely decked out with some really cool Christmas stuff. And this was a really big deal back then. These players decided that they didn't care about the fine, they still wanted to rock these cleats, and there was a lot of press behind these, so this was a really cool thing. And every year since, Ebron and I have continued that theme, and we've done a cool pair for his Christmas game each season. So very similar to this horror contest, once all of those submissions are accounted for, Jason and I will do a Customs of the Week style video showcasing all of the entries. We will then pick the final 4, and then we'll be doing a reviewing your customs style episode, which is going to go live on Christmas, and you, the public, again, will be able to vote on the winner of that contest also. So really looking forward to what you guys create. This is one of my all-time favorite pairs of shoes. I love all the ugly sweater dunks, but this colorway is definitely my favorite. So many cool themes I'm looking forward to seeing, such as the Grinch, Peanuts Christmas, ugly sweaters, wrapping paper, Christmas trees. The options are truly limitless, so everybody go ahead, get out there, and just create.